emergency protocol is now in effect. Emotional boundaries will be lifted, and all control systems will be temporarily disabled. Phase 1. Heart rate accelerates. Perception begins to distort. Phase 2. Resistance dissolves. During this process, time and fear will be suspended. All forms of desire expression are authorized. At the final signal, this broadcast will terminate, and you will awaken, synchronized frequency. Welcome. This is the beginning of evolution.